Hello everyone, I am Advita from CSE. I'm an undergraduate student. Today I'm going to discuss about working with arrays using numpy and slicing and indexing in numpy arrays. Introduction to numpy. Numpy is a powerful Python library for numerical computing. It provides support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. NumPy works on efficient operations on arrays using vectorization. What is an array in NumPy? An array in NumPy is nothing but it is a grid of values all of same type indexed by a tuple of non-negative integers. Arrays are more efficient than Python lists for numerical operations. Now, based on this, let us run a code and see. Yeah. Now let us import NumPy as NP. Now let us take an array of NP dot array of some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now print that array. See, now run this code and check the output of this program. See, here is the output of this program. Now let's move for next slide. Basic array indexing. Indexing allows you to access individual elements in a NumPy array. Similar to Python list, indexing starts from 0. It is very simple for understanding. Now let's write a code and check this. Let it be here. Now print an array of index number, let's say 2. Again, let's take another value like array of index number, let's take suppose 4. Now run this code and check the output of this program. See, here is the output of this program 3 and 5. As we know, indexing number starts from 0. 1 has index number 0, 2 has index number 1, and 3 has 2, 4 has 3, and 5 has 4. Here we said to print array of index number 2, it is printed 3, and we said the print array of index number 4, it is printed the value 5. Now let's move for next slide. Slicing arrays in NumPy. Slicing allows you to extract sub-arrays from an array. Syntax of this array is given here. Based on that syntax, we can write code. Mm, yeah, let it be like this. Let's take sliced is equals to array of some 1 and 4. Let's print this sliced one. Based on that given syntax, we'll get the output of according to that. See, as we see this output, based on that syntax, we'll get this output. Now let's go for advanced slicing techniques. You can also slice multi-dimensional arrays and use different steps in each dimension. For better understanding of this advanced slicing techniques, let's write a code and see. Let's remove all this. Let's take two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is equals to array, sorry, np dot array of some values like 1, 4, 5, 6, comma 7. Yeah. Here also we should keep square bracket. Then now print this two-dimensional array like. Now run this code and check the output of this program. See, here is the output of this program. Now let's move for next slide. Boolean indexing in NumPy. It is so simple. Boolean indexing allows you to filter the elements based on the condition. If you give the condition, it filters the elements from that. So for better understanding of this code also, let's see. Let's write a code on this. Let's take array is equals to np dot array of some values like 20, 30. Let's filter. Has Boolean indexing array, it filters the elements. Let's take filtered is equals to array of some condition like array which is greater than 30. Let's take 30. Then print that array. Sorry, print. Let's write filtered. Now run this code and check the output of this program. See here we got 40, 50 and 60 as we given condition. Array which is greater than 30. It gives the values 40, 50 and 60 and 70. Let's move for next slide. Modifying arrays using indexing. You can modify elements in an array by directly assigning values through indexing. Let's see the code of this. Let's modify the array of index number. Let's take suppose 3 is equals to, let's assign a value for that, like for example 55, and then let's say print array. Now run the code and check the output of that program. See, as we assigned the index number of 3, we gave the value for that index number 55. Here also it is changed, as you can observe in this output page. Now let's move for next slide. Using np.ix for advanced indexing, it helps in selecting cross sections of arrays, useful for multi-dimensional arrays also. Let's write a code for this also for better understanding for us. Here also we can take multi-dimensionals arrays. Let us take a two-dimensional array again, and p.array. Let's take same values as before, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's write rows and columns. P dot array of, let's suppose say 0 comma 2. Let's write columns for this. 1 comma 2. Now print this array of 2D np dot ix of rows and columns. Yeah. Now run this code and check the output of this program. See here we got the output of this program. Check this. Let's move for next slide. See conclusion. By all this, we can conclude that NumPy provides powerful array manipulation capabilities. Slicing and indexing make working with arrays efficient. Understanding this concept will significantly improve performance of coding in Python. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.